The job description of a logistics manager revolves around the critical function of coordinating, planning, and overseeing all activities related to the movement, distribution, and storage of goods. Logistics managers are pivotal in maintaining smooth supply chain operations, ensuring that products and materials are delivered accurately, efficiently, and cost-effectively. These professionals work at the heart of business operations, particularly in industries such as manufacturing, retail, e-commerce, transportation, and distribution. A logistics manager plays a central role in connecting suppliers, manufacturers, warehouses, retailers, and customers. They are responsible for designing effective logistics strategies, managing transportation networks, overseeing inventory levels, and optimizing warehouse operations. Their work helps companies meet delivery timelines, control operational costs, and maintain high customer satisfaction levels. In an increasingly global economy, the efficiency of logistics operations can have a direct impact on competitiveness and profitability. Logistics managers typically lead teams that include logistics coordinators, transportation supervisors, inventory controllers, and warehouse staff. They are expected to develop systems that ensure smooth coordination among all players in the supply chain. In large organizations, logistics managers may work closely with procurement officers, operations executives, and supply chain analysts to align logistics goals with broader corporate objectives. Key responsibilities of a logistics manager. At the core of their responsibilities, logistics managers are tasked with developing and executing logistics strategies that streamline the supply chain. They analyze current procedures to identify areas for improvement, implement new technologies or processes, and establish performance metrics to monitor logistics efficiency. One of the most important aspects of the role involves transportation management. Logistics managers select appropriate carriers, negotiate freight rates, and oversee route planning to ensure timely and cost-effective delivery of goods. They monitor transit times, resolve shipment delays, and ensure compliance with local, national, or international shipping regulations. In many cases, they must also manage relationships with third-party logistics, 3PL, providers or freight forwarding companies. Inventory control is another major responsibility. Logistics managers oversee the storage and movement of goods within warehouses or distribution centers, ensuring that inventory levels are optimized and that stockouts or overstocking are minimized. They often use inventory management systems to forecast demand, track stock movements, and reconcile discrepancies between physical and recorded inventory. Warehouse operations are under the logistics manager's domain as well. This includes managing warehouse layouts for efficiency, supervising the loading and unloading of goods, ensuring safety standards, and implementing warehouse automation where applicable. They also coordinate with production teams to maintain just-in-time (JIT) delivery systems that reduce excess inventory and improve cash flow. In the middle of all these tasks, it is worth noting that the job description of a logistics manager goes beyond simply moving goods from point A to B. It's about creating a well-oiled system that integrates every function of the supply chain seamlessly and reliably. Cost control and budgeting form a significant part of the logistics manager's duties. They are expected to monitor logistics expenses, prepare budgets, and find cost-saving opportunities through better vendor negotiation, fuel management, or route optimization. Keeping logistics costs in check while maintaining service quality is a constant balancing act. Risk management is also critical in logistics. Logistics managers develop contingency plans to handle unexpected disruptions such as transport strikes, weather events, or supply shortages. They work to build resilient supply chains that can adapt to challenges without compromising operational integrity. Logistics managers also engage in reporting and compliance. They are required to prepare performance reports, analyze KPIs like delivery accuracy and shipping costs, and ensure that logistics operations comply with industry regulations, environmental standards, and company policies. Essential skills and qualities for logistics managers. Being a successful logistics manager requires a robust mix of technical, analytical, and interpersonal skills. One of the most vital qualities is organizational ability. Logistics managers must handle numerous moving parts and coordinate among diverse teams, making excellent planning and multitasking skills indispensable. Analytical thinking is equally crucial. Logistics managers work with data related to transportation, inventory, and warehouse operations. They must be capable of interpreting this data to make strategic decisions that improve efficiency and reduce costs. Communication skills are fundamental. Whether negotiating with suppliers, resolving issues with shipping partners, or briefing internal teams, logistics managers must convey information clearly and persuasively. They often act as the bridge between various departments and stakeholders. Leadership and people management are core competencies. Logistics managers lead teams and oversee day-to-day operations, requiring them to motivate staff, delegate responsibilities effectively, and resolve conflicts when necessary. Technological proficiency is another must-have. Logistics managers frequently use enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems, warehouse management software, WMS, and transportation management systems, TMS. Familiarity with these tools helps in decision-making and process automation. Time management and adaptability are also essential. The fast-paced nature of logistics demands quick thinking, the ability to prioritize under pressure, and the flexibility to adjust plans in response to unforeseen changes. Work environment and challenges. The working environment of a logistics manager varies depending on the industry and organization. They often split time between offices, warehouses, and shipping or delivery sites. In manufacturing and retail, logistics managers may be located near production plants or distribution hubs. In some roles, frequent travel may be required, especially when overseeing regional or international logistics. Challenges in this role are numerous. Fluctuating fuel prices, changing trade regulations, labor shortages, and evolving customer expectations all pose potential hurdles. Logistics managers must stay updated on global trends, anticipate disruptions, and take proactive steps to safeguard supply chain stability. Another pressing challenge is sustainability. With growing pressure on companies to reduce carbon footprints, logistics managers are often tasked with implementing green logistics practices. This may involve route optimization to cut emissions, using electric delivery vehicles, or reducing packaging waste. Despite these challenges, the role offers immense satisfaction. Logistics managers get to see tangible results of their efforts: products delivered on time, costs reduced, warehouses running smoothly, and customers satisfied. The work is dynamic, impactful, and central to the success of modern businesses. Education and professional development. A bachelor's degree is typically required for logistics manager positions, often in fields such as supply chain management, logistics, business administration, or industrial engineering. Some roles, particularly in multinational or large corporations, may prefer candidates with a master's degree or MBA with a concentration in supply chain management. In addition to academic qualifications, certifications add significant value. Professional designations such as Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, Certified in Logistics, Transportation and Distribution, CLTD, or Six Sigma credentials are highly regarded in the industry. Hands-on experience is key to career progression. Most logistics managers work their way up from junior roles like logistics coordinator or warehouse supervisor, gaining practical insights that shape their strategic thinking. Continued professional development is important, as logistics is a constantly evolving field. Keeping up with the latest technologies, regulations, and market conditions ensures logistics managers remain effective and competitive. Conclusion. The job description of a logistics manager outlines a dynamic and influential position responsible for the smooth flow of goods and materials across the supply chain. These professionals manage everything from transportation and warehousing to inventory and vendor relations, ensuring operations run efficiently and cost-effectively. Logistics managers are problem solvers, strategists, and leaders who bring together systems and people to deliver tangible results. Their role is vital in helping companies meet customer demands, reduce costs, and maintain operational agility in a constantly changing business environment. For those who enjoy complex planning, critical thinking, and leading teams, a career as a logistics manager offers a rich mix of challenge and reward. In a world where supply chains are the backbone of commerce, logistics managers are the silent enablers of success, keeping the wheels of industry turning, one shipment at a time.